Okay.
Ha?
Oo.
Ako na bibili.
Kaya pasok ko tayo.
Hindi pa, kasi kung mag-reservation. Ticket sa reservation.
Papa mo.
Ano pa dyan?
Ayan na.
Oo, may
Tapos picturean ko. Yan, gusto mo mamawak nito dyan? Gusto mo ikaw humawak nito naman?
Ako hawak yan.
Oo, gusto mo?
Ayoko na. May phone naman ako, mali na pa po.
Ano makita dyan? Ha? Ha? Ay, yun. Igat.
Oo, nakatiyag kaya sa ukaw. Magaling na siya.
Hindi, ganyan talaga yan.
Ay, natulog na yan. Ayun na siya.
Kinakain mo pa?
Ay, mga alaga mo dati pa.
Oo.
Arwana.
Ang laki eh.
Mahal na yan. Dati,
Mas mahal yung gold niya pa.
1,000 motor yan. Market. Noon pa na ako, gano'n lang ka ako. 1,000. Ano? Ginitin ka din ito. Ginitin ka din pa.
Tumayo siya yun eh.
Ha?
Tumayo. Nakay ka, tumayo na siya.
Nagising lang yung kanina.
Nagtamad pa sa janitor?
Hindi? No?
Janitor ko siya pa para din naglilinis.
Janitor ba daw?
Ay, dalawa sila mo. Mayroon isa pa.
Ay, ang haba ng isang hindi. Bato yan.
Ha?
Ano yung katawan niya? Ay, ulo niya.
Ayun, no?
Huwag na ako
Ay, dalawa tatlo sila. 1, 2, 3.
Oo. Yung isa bato yan.
Hindi, okay.
Alin?
Yung flower head. Hammerhead. Ayan, ano naman yan?
Liliit nila.
Ay, no.
Alaga ni dati yung papa.
Para magiging tayo.
Pagkain niya ka.
Oo, maliliit. Pagkain ng ano.
Para magiging tayo dati.
Hmm.
Ay, ang laki.
Okay.
Ay, iguana.
Madali sila, mami. Ay, parang kapapalit lang ng balat niya.
Nakapalit nga lang, sabi ka mag-picture ako sa gilid.
Kasi siya sa gilid. Yung sa gilid, di nakikita yan. Look, gumagalaw. Tulog. Siya lang mag-isa.
Iguana.
Malungkot ka. Siya ikaw lang mag-isa.
Hmm. Ito, ang ganda. Ito, malaking isda. Oh.
Red belly poppy. Ano, picture kita dalawa?
Hmm. Ito, sa dulo mo.
Uy, bangus. Ay, bangus. Oh, tanawa.
Picture nga tayo lahat. Picture nga tayo lahat. Tama. Papa. Papa.
Ready ka?
Papa.
Yan, may nagka-picture. Asan si Lolo? Lolo.
Lolo.
Picture tayo. Oh, yan. Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Picture may ano, bangus.
Hmm.
Hindi yan pumusa.
Hindi ko mong siya po. Ang laki.
Itong puti, oh.
Hindi na tayo.
Hindi. Nabigil.
Pero hanggang dito nakakalabas sila.
Oo.
Hindi.
Hanggang dito lang sila glibot-libot.
Oo, dito lang. Libot-libot. Laki na. Alas 2 yung ano, ay alauna yung bird show at saka alas 2 yung ano.
Hmm. Kaya,
Yung, ay alas 2 yung bird show, alauna yung
Umalis na.
lakad na siya.
Hindi, nag-alap yung pumusa.
Sayang. Tayo na siya sa tao eh. Ano yung second? Wala may kundi yun. Wala may kundi.
Kompleto yan.
Oo nga, boy ba yan? Di ah, ano
Alin?
lang yan ma? Display lang siya, yan tunay na ano. Hindi ah, kasi kung boy yan, nagalaw yung kamay niya, may kuko. Hindi. Ah, okay. That is not where to go.
Saan tayo?
Naman, pitis mo ma'am.
Ay, kasi gusto mo yung habang yung mag-iingat.
Alaga ni Kuya Kim.
Dapat mo yung isa. Diba?
Actually, the tourists walk faster than you. Come faster than you. Mr. Daddy and Mr. Biden?
Because Philippine Pago.
Ha? Gold. 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 Gold.
Ay, yung isa naglumlum na ko.
Alaga ko yan dyan.
Oh, wait lang pa, wait lang. Laki. Kita pa rin.
Yan yung giant ano,
Parang lang silang
hammerhead.
Mukha silang hito.
Hammerhead.
Mukha silang hito for me.
Ganda. Arwana maliit. Liit na arwana. Ngayon ka na nakakita ng mga isda pa? Ha?
Hito man na uwil, hito.
Hammerhead yan.
Ang laki, oh. Ang laki.
Ayan,
Ang
oh.
laki.
Hito.
Ang laki talaga niyan.
Laki, no? Diyan kaano to kakapal?
Makapal yan mga cobra.
Mga 1 inch ano?
Kapal din.
Ay, hindi. Andun pa yung tubig na kayo.
Oo nga, oh. Kita mo, parang ganyan eh.
Hindi lang ganun.
Kaya makikita mo dito, oh. Tingnan mo. Iba yung layo ng ano, ng halaman.
Dito.
Dalawa.
Balik na. Di pa naubos ang ano. Di pa. May oras ba na? Loading ano?
May oras?
Oo.
kakain ng isda. Alas 2 yung ano, yung bird.
Makakainin.
Bird show. Alas 2 meron pa lang. Yan. Ano mo sila? Papa.
Okay. Wala man laman yun.
But-but yan.
Ha? Ay, naman yun dito.
Mga but-but yan. Ayan, buhay yan eh. Yan yung mga coral. Coral.
Buhay yan?
Oo, buhay yan.
Ano ba?
But-but yan yung but-but na tao nakakain yan. Gumagalaw-galaw yan.
Ayun, wala galaw. Oh.
But-but yan. Nakakain yan. Yan yung mga ano, coral.
Let's go. Ano ba? Ganyan na lang. Hindi ko lang ako. Yun sa amin.
Eh, oh, mahal ko pa oh. Yung ano to eh, mahal yun. Umang. Umang.
Umang?
Hmm.
Diamond. Diamond?
Umang. Sabay na.
Wow.
Mahal. Eh, yung ano, yung delikado yun. Pag makatunog.
Ano na? Para matatas. Matatas.
Yung ano yung kumi. Kumi.
Kis-kis na yung mga lumot. Patunog ng ano na po. Ano ba? Ano?
Labas na ka. Lalabas na.
Ngayon yung main aquarium doon mo, makita nyo mamaya.
Ah. Baba.
Oh, so,
Kami dalawa ni ano? Doon ka muna, doon ka muna. Ikaw dyan, ikaw dyan. So, ano, yung simple na lang. Tatlo tayo. Yan, yan. Inulang mo sa video. Pag-ayos sa forma.
Pwede kayo ulang. Ito po. Bakit yan nalala niya dito sa taas? Ay, may sugat. Sa Manila yun. Ano siya doon? Papating. Papating.
Ayan. Kuha dyan.
Ay, mga bata, no? Mga bata, dahil mga bata. Hindi kayo.
Yung mga taga Maynila na
Eh, kalau dyan.
Miss Driver, over there. Over there.
Pwede na pala i-video yan dyan eh. Ayun.
Pero short view. Wala, tanawa, dami.
Oh, sige, ano. spa. Dito ang spa. Ito ang yan ang spa. Fish spa. Pot spa. Bird show, oh. Ito na.
Guess what? Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. Ma'am, is it okay Blue donated your money? Okay ra? Okay ra? Since okay naman ma'am, wait sa ma'am. Since okay naman, how about second round this time? A higher bill. 500 na sad ma'am. 500. Para kay Blue. Wala na kay kwarta. Wait sa ma'am, joke na to ma'am. It's just part of the show. We'll be returning your money, but first, Blue wants to have a photo with you. So please follow our trainer instructions. Okay, now smile and pose together with our money bird, Blue. Alright, now here is your money, ma'am. So please follow our photographer. Look at the money. Okay, now here's your money, so please follow our photographer. And what is dangerous for them? Okay, let's take it. There you go, our round of applause for Bandits. Now I have here an object, which is a ball, and I'll be handing this object in one of these silver cups. As you can see, these cups are all empty.
Hello.
But before we go in, our psychic bird, let me
Hello.
ask you guys the word behind this object. Is it on your left, right, or the middle?
It is a bird
right,
show.
middle?
Sa bird show.
Okay, let's put it right here.
Ha? Sa baba.
Now it's all set, let's go in. Our
Nasa taas ka?
psychic bird, Goldie. Now if you think Goldie has some psychic powers, then maybe you cheer for her. Say, we can do it, Goldie! Okay, Goldie, please find the hidden object. Please search it. Scanning each cup. Using her psychic powers. And she found it! A round of applause for Goldie! Now earlier, we introduced to you our 3 types of parrots. We'll be introducing to you our 3 types of cockatoos. We have Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, Tweety, our silver-crested cockatoo, and Snow, our wicked cockatoo. Now a friendly reminder again to everyone, if our birds and trainers will roam around, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. Thank you. Okay, let's call in Snow, Nigel, and Tweety. Okay, let's see our birds. Here with trainer Mark is our wicked cockatoo named Snow. Right here with trainer Irvin is our umbrella cockatoo named is our silver-crested cockatoo named Tweety, and right here with trainer Barry is our umbrella cockatoo named Nigel. Now to start with is Tweety right there, our super crested cockatoo. Tweety has a yellow crest on its head. So muna siyang ilang crest ng Tweety's scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Up next is trainer. Mary is our umbrella cockatoo named Nigel. Nigel has a woolly white crest that races like an umbrella. Sa kumusta ka na yung crest, more na siya og umbrella. Nigel's scientific name is Kakatua alba. As you can see, Tweety and Nigel are almost similar, but they differ on their crest. While Tweety has yellow, Nigel has pure white. And finally, featuring our mark is our Moluccan cockatoo named Snow. Snow can be found in Indonesia, and they're considered as the largest among the white cockatoo family. And they're also called as the salmon-crested cockatoo. It is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. Snow's scientific name is Kakatua mulucensis. Cockatoos in general, they use their crest as a form of communication. Whether they're happy, threatened, or in waiting, these birds can be so loud and they can also mimic any sound. So muna siya ang mga birds na makatak or storya. Now, as for the lifespan, Tweety and Nigel can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow up there can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for our 3 types of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo, Tweety, our silver-crested cockatoo, and Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo. Now, who here loves mathematics? Since I can have math very big. Raise your hand. Who loves math? Oh, wala ka na. Oh, di mo gonna have math. How about addition? I bet everyone knows addition, right? Yes, of course, our next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed, even us trainers. But before we call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys 2 random numbers between 1 to 20. So first number, 1 to 20. Again, 1 to 20. 12, well, let's put number 12. Now, next number, 1 to 20. 10. 20? Alright, 20. Let's put number 20. Okay, 12 plus 20 na siya. We have our equation here. 12 plus 20. Now everyone knows the answer, right? But before we call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So if na natong bird, no, count siya na. Now it's all set, let's call in our great mathematicians. Snow is up there, guys. Oh, a beautiful entrance by Snow. Now, Snow, please review the equation. Let's see if Snow studied last night. Okay, Snow, please answer the equation. Okay, Snow picks the first number. Is the first number correct? Yes, sakto daw Snow. Now Snow, please finish your answer. Okay, Snow picks number 2. So is the answer correct? A round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow. Now our next featured birds are a little bit different this time. and they're called the birds of prey, or raptors. Raptors meaning the seas, or the daytime force. Globally, we have 446 types of raptors, and here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two. Our Brahmani kite named Kingdom, and our white-bellied seagull named Aki. But before we call in our lovely raptors, I would like to request everyone to please settle down, especially the kids. Again, please settle down, okay? So if our birds will fly over you, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. Thank you. Typically known as Polyester Indus. They can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. In Australia, they are known as sea eagles, but here in the Philippines, they are locally known as lawi or banong in the Visayan region. Wait, closer. Brahmini. Okay, please don't go near to our bird. Thank you. And there you go, our Brahmani kite named Kingdom. Up next is our largest raptor here in Cebu Ocean Park, presenting our white-bellied seagull named Aki. Please look to your left. White-bellied seagulls can be found also in Southeast Asia and Australia. They are characterized by its white-headed body with gray feathers under its wings, forming a V shape. In Australia, they are known as the second largest raptor, having a wingspan of about 2.2 meters. White-bellied seagulls primarily feed on sea snakes, sea turtles, and fishes. In a world of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than the male. It is because of their nesting and rearing behavior. As you can see, our trainers are wearing gloves, and that is called a falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect the trainers from the bird's sharp talons and beaks. And ready your cameras as Aki will fly down once more. And there you go, our white-bellied seagull named Aki. Now for more flying birds, please look to your left as we call it, our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons have a special ability called magnetoreception, where they can detect Earth's magnetic field, and it allows them to better meet their location, the altitude, and direction. So wherever they go, they will always go back to their partner and nests. And that is it for homing pigeons and raptors. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. Now, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now let's call in our lovely bird to show how it's done. Earth is the only place we live, and that is why we have a responsibility to take care of it. Now, by simple means like this, you can do change. You can reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. See if our bird can do it, so can we. But before we end our bird show, I would like to invite everyone to have a photo opportunity with our lovely birds. But photos can only be taken by our official photographer right there. Again, if you want to have a photo opportunity with our lovely birds, you can come down here and form a line. And that is it for our bird show. And I'd like to thank everyone who made this show possible. We have Eddie Gilly out there as our DJ. We have Trainer Mark, we have Trainer Jazzy with Bandit. We have Trainer Mary with Aggie, and along with Trainer Urban at the back of the house. This is me, Alton, your host. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Thank you for visiting Cebu.
Dali. Ayaw yung crocodile na inaalat natin. Yan, Wen.
Barakuda.
Barakuda? Parang ang lalim niya.
Malalim talaga yan.
Doon yan sa bala. Doon yan sa may penguin.
Oo.
Doon yan sa may penguin. Di ba may ano doon, may restaurant?
Oo, yan yun.
Doon yung ilalim.
Hindi na siya makalangoy.
Chill lang siya, chill. Parang si Lola.
Ah, dyan. Tapos sa kabila, may restaurant din. Oh. Kitang-kita sa kabila, restaurant.
Pero mga drinks lang isa, bayan mo ko yun.
Bababa ka, di ba? Papasok ko. Oo, ay, ito pa dito. Parang plaza yan. Meron din sila din.
Iba yun eh.
Ayan yun, kainan.
Ayun yun.
Hindi, ito yan, yan. Meron din sa baba.
Saan to? Saan to?
Ayun, may hagka sila mo yun.
Ito, saan to?
Aakit ka ng kunti. Kabila. Ando, balik ulit tayo. Oo, ano si Arka?
Hindi, bumalik ko na ito siya.
Aba,